My name is Linda Bishop. I was driving for a pace and I had a slip and fall on black ice and I tore my rotator cuff. And I had to have 3 surgeries and a shoulder replacement. I Googled for an attorney and a lot of them came up, but I chose Ankin Law to represent me. I obtained a very excellent Mr. Derek Lex, caring, considerate, kind, was more for the needs that I needed. He made sure for 3 years that whatever I needed, that I had it. And I must say, I had more than A1 treatment, more than 5-star treatment. And he's the best. And I do love him. Great communication. Always, if I needed something or a call or a caregiver, he made sure my needs were very well taken care of. I would recommend Mr. Lex all over the world.